So we saw that deep learning had a tremendous impact on that ImageNet competition, which allowed them to take 1.5 million images, train the deep neural network, and get amazing performance of predicting 1 of 1,000 different categories. So let's go ahead and show you a little demo of what kind of categories we're talking about and how cool the predictions were. So here's an example. It was the AlexNet trained on the ImageNet dataset, which we then deployed as a service that can be queried from this website. And so every time I click on an image, it gets sent to that service, which actually runs on a GPU, so it's fast, and it comes back with a prediction. So if I click on this particular image here, it gets sent to a service that's actually hosted on Amazon AWS. It comes back for prediction. Here it's hidden, but when I click on it, it tells me what prediction is. So if I show you this image, it might be unclear what that image is, but if I click on it, it says parking meter, and it turns out to be the right label. The second best here prediction was padlock, which you can kind of see kind of a padlock, but really parking meter, got it right. So that's really quite cool. Let me show you another example. So for example, this one, it gets shipped off to that service on Amazon AWS, comes back for prediction, and here my prediction is screen, monitor, oscilloscope, and you see it's a monitor, but I don't know what the difference between a screen and a monitor is, but that's okay. So it's various images here. I'm just going to click on a few. So for example, if I click on this one over here, it gets sent up. It's really sure, it really thinks it's a spoonbill. It turns out to be a spoonbill, which is great. And lastly, I'm going to click on this one over here, and that image gets sent to that service, uses deep learning for GPU, and it says it's a beer bottle or pop bottle. The true label is beer bottle. And now, these are all images in the original ImageNet dataset. Let me show you an image that was not in the original ImageNet dataset. I click on this one here. It gets sent to that service on AWS that we're hosting there. Comes back for prediction. It says Labrador Retriever. This is my dog. This is the lab in GraphLab. And this is the dog over here in data. And so, as you can see, even for images that were not in the original data set, you can still get pretty interesting predictions. Now, in your capstone, you want to build a service not for predicting images here, but for recommendations with deep learning for product images and text, and host it as a service, and you'll be able to get a website like this that anybody can play with, use, and really see the power of the machine learning that you've been learning about.